Hey everyone! Welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials channel, the go-to place for the latest in the world of large language models. If you're as passionate about the future of AI as we are, then you're in for a treat today. We've scoured GitHub to bring you the top trending LLM projects of the week. These projects showcase the incredible potential and versatility of LLMs, and today, we're diving deep into each one of them. So, whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the latest advancements in AI, stick around. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly updates. Let's jump right in. Agents by AI Waves CN. Kicking off our list is the Agents project by AI Waves CN. This isn't just any ordinary project. It's an open-source library designed specifically for building autonomous language agents. But what sets it apart? Let's dive deeper. At its core, Agents is all about giving developers the tools they need to create language agents that can do more than just understand and generate text. These agents are equipped with features like long short-term memory, which allows them to remember and use information over extended periods. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. One of the standout features of this framework is the SOP, or Standard Operation Process. This unique aspect allows users to provide fine-grained control and guidance to language agents. Think of an SOP as a roadmap. It defines sub-goals and subtasks for the overall task, letting users customize a workflow for the agents. It's like having a co-pilot guiding you through a journey, ensuring you stay on the right path. But the Agents framework doesn't stop there. It's built for the modern web. Language agents in this library can use external tools, navigate the web, communicate with other agents, and even interact with humans. Imagine having an agent that can pull data from the web, discuss it with another agent, and then present its findings to a human user. It's a seamless blend of AI and human interaction. Another intriguing feature is the controller function. This dynamic function decides which agent will perform the next action. It uses an LLM, or language learning model, to make this decision, considering previous actions, the environment, and the current state's target. It's like a maestro conducting an orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays its part at the right time. To sum it up, the Agents project by AWaves CN is a game changer. It's not just about creating language agents, it's about redefining what they can do and how they interact with the world around them. Llama GPT by GetUmbrel. Next on our list is Llama GPT by GetUmbrel. Now, if you're thinking this sounds familiar, you're right. Llama GPT is a self-hosted, offline chatbot that draws inspiration from ChatGPT. But it's got its own unique spin. Privacy is at the heart of Llama GPT. In a world where data privacy concerns are growing, having a chatbot that ensures 100% privacy is a breath of fresh air. With Llama GPT, no data leaves the user's device, giving you peace of mind. But it's not just about privacy. Llama GPT is powered by Llama 2, a robust engine that drives its capabilities. And the project doesn't shy away from innovation. It has introduced support for Code Llama models and even NVIDIA GPUs, ensuring it remains at the forefront of chatbot technology. One of the standout features of Llama GPT is its versatility. Whether you're using an Umbrella OS home server, an M1, M2 Mac, or any system with Docker, Llama GPT has got you covered. And for those who prefer Kubernetes, there's support for that too. But what truly sets Llama GPT apart is its user experience. The chatbot offers an OpenAI-compatible API and supports a range of models, from 7B to 70B, and even Code Llama models of varying sizes. And the roadmap for the project promises even more exciting features, from moving the model out of the Docker image to adding Metal support for M1, M2 Macs. In essence, Llama GPT is redefining what it means to be a chatbot. It's not just about answering questions, it's about providing a seamless, private, and powerful experience for users. God Mode by Small AI. Moving forward, we have God Mode by Small AI. Now, the name might give you a hint, but this isn't just another chat browser. It's a reimagined space where AI meets human interaction in a seamless dance of technology. God Mode is a dedicated chat browser, but it's not just about chatting. It's about accessing full web applications of various AI models like ChatGPT, Claude 2, Perplexity, Bing, and more. And it does this with a twist. Imagine typing at the bottom of the browser and having that input entered into all web apps simultaneously. It's like having multiple conversations at once, without the hassle of switching tabs or windows. But God Mode isn't just about multitasking. It's about ease of use. With a simple keyboard shortcut, CMD plus Shift plus G, you can activate the browser and dive into the world of AI. Whether you're using no API models like Perplexity and Poe or local models like LLM and Vicuna, God Mode ensures a smooth experience. One of the standout features of God Mode is its emphasis on web apps. In an age where apps and software are constantly evolving, having access to full functionalities on launch day is crucial. And God Mode delivers on this front, ensuring users are always at the cutting edge of AI technology. Available for a range of platforms, from Apple Silicon Macs to Windows and Linux, God Mode is truly universal. And with features like Prompt Critic that uses Llama 2 to refine user prompting, it's clear that the project is not just about providing a service, it's about enhancing the user experience. In essence, God Mode is more than a chat browser. It's a gateway to the vast world of AI, designed with the user in mind, ensuring a seamless, efficient, and enriching experience. Open AI Translator. Next up, we venture into the realm of translation with the Open AI Translator project. But this isn't your typical translator. It's a fusion of cutting-edge AI and user-centric design, aiming to redefine the way we think about translation. At its heart, the OpenAI Translator project is powered by OpenAI. It began as a Bob plugin for macOS, offering global word translation using the ChatGPT API. But it has since evolved, transforming into a multi-platform desktop application that bridges language barriers with ease. The tool is versatile, offering 3 distinct modes: translation, polishing, and summarization. And it's not just about translating from one language to another. It's about mutual translation, polishing, and summarization across a staggering 55 different languages. Whether you're looking to perfect a document, get the gist of a long article, or simply communicate in a foreign language, OpenAI Translator has got you covered. But it's the features that truly set this project apart. From streaming mode and customization of translation text to text-to-speech capabilities and screenshot translation, it's clear that the project is designed with the user in mind. And with support for both OpenAI and Azure OpenAI service, users have the flexibility to choose the service that best suits their needs. In a world where communication is key, the OpenAI Translator project stands out as a beacon of innovation. It's not just about breaking down language barriers, it's about creating connections, understanding different cultures, and bringing the world closer together. Resume Matcher by SRBHR. Stepping into the realm of job applications and recruitment, we have the Resume Matcher project by SRBHR. In today's competitive job market, standing out is crucial, and this tool is designed to give job seekers that much needed edge. Resume Matcher isn't just another tool to match resumes with job descriptions. It's an AI-driven, open-source marvel that tailors resumes to specific job descriptions, ensuring they resonate with recruiters and applicant tracking systems, ATS. But how does it achieve this? The process begins with parsing. This step transforms documents into a format the system can analyze, laying the groundwork for the magic that follows. Next, the tool extracts relevant keywords from the job description using advanced machine learning algorithms. These keywords are the essence of what recruiters are looking for, And Resume Matcher ensures they're prominently featured in your resume. But it's the vector similarity using Quadrant feature that truly sets this tool apart. By measuring the cosine similarity between the resume and the job description, Resume Matcher can gauge how closely the two documents match. This insight is invaluable, allowing job seekers to fine-tune their resumes and maximize their chances of landing that dream job. The tool doesn't just stop at matching. It offers a plethora of data visualizations, giving users a visual representation of how their resume stacks up against the job description. And with a full-stack Next.js web application, interacting with Resume Matcher is a breeze. In essence, the Resume Matcher project is more than a tool. It's a companion for job seekers, guiding them through the intricate maze of job applications and ensuring they put their best foot forward. Foocus by Llama. Last, but certainly not least, we have Foocus by Llama. At its core, Foocus is an image-generating software, but to label it just that would be an understatement. It's a reimagined platform where creativity meets AI, producing stunning visuals. Powered by Gradio, Foocus is a testament to the power of AI in the realm of design and art. It draws inspiration from Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, combining the best of both worlds. While it offers the offline, open source, and free nature of Stable Diffusion, it also ensures the ease of use synonymous with Midjourney. The result? A tool where users can focus solely on prompts and images, letting the software handle the rest. One of the standout features of Foocus is its installation process. In a world where software installation can be cumbersome, Foocus promises a seamless experience. From downloading to generating the first image, users need less than 3 mouse clicks. And with a minimal GPU memory requirement of 4 GB, it's accessible to a wide range of users. But it's the unique features for advanced users that truly set Foocus apart. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting out, Foocus offers the tools and features to bring your vision to life. In a nutshell, Foocus is not just about generating images, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, blending human creativity with the power of AI to produce visuals that captivate and inspire. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's exploration, it's evident that the world of AI is ever evolving, with developers and enthusiasts pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From autonomous language agents to innovative resume matchers and image-generating software, the projects we've delved into today are a testament to the power of innovation and creativity. They not only solve real-world problems, but also open doors to new possibilities, redefining the landscape of technology and AI. If you found today's deep dive into the top trending LLM projects of the week insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to AutoGPT Tutorials for more content like this. We're always on the lookout for groundbreaking projects and innovations, and we can't wait to share them with you. If you have any projects or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay curious.